This is an antique Singer model 66. It's a 66-1, but it has been upgraded to the side clamping foot. The serial number is G9745604, which dates it to 1923. The 66-4s came out March of 1923. This is from January of 1923. So like I said, I did upgrade it. The machine does have some wear on the decals, but the decals otherwise have good color, and the chrome's in good condition. The machine's been serviced, fully functional. The table it's in, the treadle table, is mine. It's for demonstration purposes only. This does have a boss or a hub located below the balance wheel, so you can mount a hand crank or a motor, or use it in traditional treadle. So just to show you how well it works, I've got 6 layers of denim, which are already stitched once for photo used in the ad. And running at a full speed tests the stitch. Some machines can break stitches, which doesn't show up when it's run at slower speeds. There you can see there's no skip stitches. It's got a good stitch. And there you have it.